Hi, this is Brian Anderson, CEO of Simple Estimate. In this video, I want to highlight the features around templates and partials. And a partial is really just a part of another estimate. It's something that you've templated, something that you know how to estimate that you want to bring into other estimates. Whereas templates are like, I can create my new estimates off of this template. And if I manage the template, I'll be able to create new templates new estimates much faster. So the idea here of a template at its base level is you can come in and manage and build out templates and really kind of perfect them over time. And then people, when they want to go create estimates, they can choose from a template library. And all they have to do is click this Start From button. And it's going to pop up here. It's going to say choose this particular template. So I could say, here's my company ABC redesign project. And once I kind of populate this for the client that I want to select, I can choose all the same settings, but it's going to use this template. I can choose the rate card that I want it to use, and then I can also choose the recurring pricing if I want to do that. So I'm going to skip that for now. Type in a description, just hit the create button. So now I've created the company ABC website, and now I can go in and edit this. This is an instance of this particular template, just a copy of it, and it's ready to go. So you just sped up the entire estimation process and taken all that hard work and expertise in building out those templates, and now you can speed up your estimation process significantly. The cool part is once you actually start making changes here, like let's say I wanted to add we know, for this client XYZ, we want to add more people to work on something else, social media, and I'm going to say they're going to spend between 8 and 16 hours on it. And so it updates the price automatically. And you're like, this is a new flavor of a website. So I want to go and just save that as a template. So I can go in and save it. It'll make a copy of it. I can come in and edit the details. And I can say, this is the XYZ, this is the large website redesign template, and what works for your business, right? And you can save that, you can configure that, and then you can just start new estimates from this template. So that's how the basic level of a template works, or the basic functionality. If you created a new estimate, you can just select it here as well. You can choose the template. Say I want to use that large one. And that all works great. The other way to do this is actually let's say you're inside of an estimate. So let's say I'm inside this XYZ here, and I don't like the way this ongoing support works. I want to have that be, let's say, a retainer. So I can click this button, or I can click any of these areas here, and I can insert a template. So this is where the partials come into play. So I might have partial sections or tasks that are already thought through, and all I have to do is insert it. So let's say I want to do a quarterly retainer template, and I can just insert the quarterly retainer template. It's going to bring in the partial and make it part of this overall estimate. So with templates and partials, you can massively speed up your estimate creation process, and you can take all those learnings and expertise and put them into templates so that you do estimates better each time that you create them for new clients. That's templates and partials. Hope it saves you a massive amount of time. Thank you.